the cat, a dog and a goat named Pat, a big old scary brown fat bear and a rooster, ooh, singing cock-a-doodle-doo. We got Jack and Charlie the cat, a dog and a goat named Pat, a big old scary brown fat bear and a rooster. Finally here. Oh, I didn't see you back there. Why, hello there. Ruby here. I just pulled up to my country cabin. Would you like to come in for a spell? I would love that. Let me just grab my things and I'll see you inside. Now, where on earth is that light switch? Maybe it's over here. Oh, it's you, Charlie the cat. You scared my socks off. Let's see if the light switch is over here. Oh, you scared me, Duke the dog. Goodness gracious. I've had the spooks today. I could really use some relaxing. I think I'll just sit down right here and unwind a bit. All of these jump scares have reminded me of a story I read a long, long time ago. I have an idea. How about I tell you a story? But let me prepare you. It has a few scary moments, too. Don't you worry. I won't let a thing happen to you. Are you ready, friends? Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Jack. Oh, he was a kind boy, and very brave at that. One morning, he decided he would go out and search for a pot of gold. He hadn't walked very far when he met a cat.
Meow, 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 meow. Where are you going?
Oh, I'm going to seek a pot of gold.
Meow, 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 meow.
Sure, you can come with me. The more the merrier.
So off the two went, traveling down the pathway in search for some gold. They hadn't walked very far when out of nowhere a dog appeared, woofing.
Woof, 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 woof. Where are you going? Oh, I'm going to find a pot of gold. Woof, 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 woof. Sure, you can join us. Right, Charlie the cat?
Meow.
And off they went. You know, one time I had a dog named Brutus. He was the most special dog. Do you have a pet? Interesting. Jack, the cat, and the dog were walking down the trail when suddenly, out of nowhere, a goat appeared.
Where are you going?
I'm on my way to find a big pot of gold. Sure, you can join us. Right, Charlie the cat?
Meow.
Right, dog? Woof.
Sure enough, all four of them set off to find that pot of gold. I must admit it, there have been times I've tried finding pots of gold, too. Oh, I've looked in cabinets and under the bed, in the basement, up in the trees, in the garden, in the... Oh, my mind is wandering. Let's get back to the story. Jack, the cat, the dog, and the goat traveled on in a line, all of them searching for a pot of gold. Oh dear, guess what popped up next? You're right, a big scary bear!
Where are you going? We are going to search for a pot of gold.
Sounds fun. Would you mind if me and my best friend the rooster came along?
Sure. The more the merrier.
Whoa! Lots of animals in this story. We've got Jack, Charlie the cat, a dog, and a goat named Pat, a big old scary brown fat bear, and a rooster. What does he do? He sings cock-a-doodle-doo. We got Jack and Charlie the cat, a dog and a goat named Pat, a big old scary brown fat bear and a rooster, ooh, singing cock-a-doodle-doo. We got Jack and Charlie the cat, a dog and a goat named Pat, a big old scary brown fat bear and a rooster. It was nearly dark, and it was time to find a place to spend the night.
Look, up ahead. There's a little cabin up there. Maybe we could get some sleep there and wake up tomorrow and finally find that pot of gold. You all stay here. I'll go up and check it out.
Jack quietly looked in the window, and you would never guess what he saw. There were 3 prisoners that escaped from the local prison. That's right. They broke into this cabin when no one was home, and they were robbing the cabin owners of all the money they had saved up. This made Jack very angry. Well, Jack went over to his friends and told them to sneak up to the window and at the count of 3, let out the loudest noise to scare the robbers away.
1, 2, 3.
The loud noise scared the robbers so bad that they ran out as fast as they could without the money. Jack and his friends were able to have a good laugh, but Jack had a feeling that the bad robbers would be back sooner rather than later. So Jack came up with a plan.
Friends, let's make sure that if the escaped prisoners try to return, we will give them a scare they will never forget. Quick, Charlie the cat, you go sit in the rocking chair. Dog, get under the table. Pat the goat, hide upstairs. And Big Fat Bear, go hide in the basement. Oh, Rooster, go hide up on the roof. Hurry!
We got Jack and Charlie the cat, a dog and a goat named Pat, a big old scary brown fat bear and a rooster, ooh, singing cock-a-doodle-doo. We got Jack and Charlie the cat, a dog and a goat named Pat, a big old scary brown fat bear and a rooster, ooh, singing cock-a-doodle-doo, singing cock-a-doodle-doo. Sure enough, in the middle of the night, the escaped prisoners sent only 1 robber back to the cabin to finally get the money they left the night before. But was he ever in for a frightful night? He ran outside crying like a little baby.
I went back to the cabin and I went in. It was so dark. It was so dark I couldn't see a thing. I went to sit down and someone scratched me with long nails.
That was Charlie the cat.
And then I went over to the table where the money was, and a witch was under the table trying to eat me.
That was the dog.
You're not gonna believe me, but I ran upstairs and there was a big dragon. It blew out the worst breath ever. It made me fall all the way down the steps.
That was the goat. And I must admit, Pat the goat does have stinky breath.
I started to run down to the basement, and there was the biggest monster with a scream so loud the entire house shook.
You're right again. That was the bear.
To heck with the money. I wanted out of there alive. I ran outside, and there was this creature on top of the house, and he was screaming, "Cook him in the stew! Cook him in the stew!"
That was the rooster. He wasn't saying cook him in the stew. He was saying cock-a-doodle-doo.
We got Jack and Charlie the cat, a dog and a goat named Pat, a big old scary brown fat bear and a rooster. Ooh, singing cock-a-doodle-doo, singing cock-a-doodle-doo.
Whoa! What a story! Those prisoners were caught eventually by the local authorities and are back in prison, right where they belong. As far as Jack and his friends, they decided that instead of searching for a pot of gold, they would return home together, laughing and singing and feeling good about themselves. After all, the money remained in that little cabin, undisturbed, thanks to Jack and all of his good animal friends.
We got Jack and Charlie the cat, a dog and a goat named Pat, a big old scary brown fat bear and a rooster. Ooh, singing cock-a-doodle-doo. We got Jack and Charlie the cat, a dog and a goat named Pat, a big old scary brown fat bear and a rooster.
Join Ruby, you and me with Ruby. I have an idea. Ruby's story time. Oh, well, hello there. Ruby here. I was just cooking away over here, and let me tell you what. I'm about plumb pooped. Why, I've baked brownies, a cherry pie, hot rolls, and even put a pot of stew on. I'm cooking for my two nephews, Harvey and Hank. Oh, they've been working out in the field all day today, picking corn. And I know they've worked up a big appetite. Oh, the boys are such hard workers, and it's just so fun to cook for them. You want to know what they are really looking forward to for their afternoon snack? Right here. A gingerbread man cookie. They just love little cute things like this. You see here? I have little chocolate chips for the eyes, a cute little cherry for his precious little nose, and a bit of red licorice for the mouth. Oh, the boys are gonna love this. Let me just pop this right in the oven, friends. I'll be right back. Harvey! Hank! It's time for your afternoon snack. All your favorite foods. Who wants a brownie? What about a slice of my good old-fashioned cherry pie? You boys care for a hot roll? How about a bowl of stew? Well, they must be way out there in the fields and can't hear me. You know, when I ring the dinner bell, those two boys usually come a-running. Let's try this, shall we, friends? Okay, you two. Aunt Ruby's made your favorite. A gingerbread man cookie. I knew they would hear that. Ooh, I better get him out of the oven. Ooh! Ow! Oh, come back here, you little bad boy. Stop that. Oh, ouch. Get back here. Why, I oughta. Oh.
Run, 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 run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, 'cause I'm the Gingerbread Man.
Boys, after him. The Gingerbread Man is on the run. You won't be able to have your favorite snack.
You know what? That's not gonna happen.
Name is Gingy on the run, they call me Rungy Bissy. They're out to get me, want to eat me. All I want is to be free. I know I look good, I'm sweet. This ain't how we gonna meet, 'cause I'm a bad, bad cookie. Rungy Bissy, that's me.
Ooh, you look like you need a glass of milk. Ooh, is that ginger I smell? You know, gingerbread and milk go very well.
Nice try. Run, 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 run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, 'cause I'm the Gingerbread Man.
Whoa there, little guy. You look so tired. How about taking a nap on my hay? Huh? What do you say?
Now that's funny. A big lug like you? You can't even gallop fast enough to catch up with me, you fool. Run, 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 run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, 'cause I'm the Gingerbread Man.
Looky here. I've been waiting my whole life for someone like you. My Prince Charming. You're here. Let's kiss. And you can be mine.
Look here, Miss Pig. Nothing personal, but your breath ain't a-making it. Step away. I ain't interested. Now go, before I turn you into bacon. Run, 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 run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, 'cause I'm the Gingerbread Man.
Oh, boy. This little fella has a mouth on him that won't quit. And where on earth does he get that much energy? I mean, he's been running for well over 4 miles. I can't keep up.
Well, butter my bottom and call me a cookie. I can't go in the river. I'll get all soggy and yicky.
Hello there, Mr. Gingerbread Man. It looks as though you are stressed. Can I be of assistance?
Yeah, I am stressed. I can't go in the water, dumbbell. I'll be completely ruined. You get it? Finished. Lifeless. A soggy mess. Dead.
Oh, I understand your dilemma. I'm here to help you. That's what foxes do. We wait to help those in need. Now, calm down, my dear one. Hop on my back. I'll carry you across the river.
Okay. No funny business. Get me across the river. Oh, pronto. What's wrong, dumbbell? You ain't moving as fast as you should.
I'm having a bit of a cramp. It's hard for me to swim with you on my back. I would like to advise you to hop on my snout and get the pressure off so that I can make sure you get across safely.
Enough already with the therapy talk here. Now, all better, Doc? A little less yakking and a little more swimming.
And with that, the wise old fox lifted his snout and in a split second gobbled him up in nothing flat. Whoa! What a story! That little gingerbread man could sure run fast and far, but he was unable to outsmart that wise old fox. Thank you for joining me here on Ruby's Storytime. I hope you enjoyed the story. Now, I better get back to my camper. But instead of running back or even walking back, I think I'll catch the bus. Bye for now, friends.
Name is Gingy on the run, they call me Rungy Bissy. They're out to get me, want to eat me, all I want is to be free. I know I look good, I'm sweet, this ain't how we gonna meet, cause I'm a bad, bad cookie. Rungy Bissy, that's me.
Ruby, 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 let's join Ruby, you and me with Ruby. I have an idea. Ruby's story time.